It is time to reveal your MON allocation. In this video, we're gonna go through some tweets from several people, some people that are not that happy, some happy ones, and I'm gonna show you a airdrop checker. We're gonna do my reveal for this account here, where we see that my X account is eligible. Yeah, I'm gonna walk you through everything that you need to do, everything that you need to know around the reveal early. If you haven't watched the previous video on how to set everything up here, make sure to check out this one. I go into detail about the MON claim portal. I've been covering the testnet for, I don't know, month, probably almost a year. So there's several episodes on the testnet. In this one here, we're gonna talk about the early reveal and how gamified that is. First of all, we see this post from Whale here. As I said, we're just gonna go through some funny tweets. Then we're gonna take a look at what you need to know around the early reveal. We're gonna do my early reveal, and I'm gonna show you how to check how much your MON could be worth depending on the FDV. Whale posted their day one mainnet ticket. We have Walls here, who's a super active yapper. He has 93,000 over almost 94,000 MON in his ticket. Then this one here, I really like that one. I opened the Monad boxes and this is what I get. What the fuck? McDonald's restaurants employment application. Then here we see another one with 30,000. We've seen a couple of, I don't know, 3,000, 4,000. So if you don't have as much, don't believe everything that you see on X is the first thing, and you don't know how much time they actually spend on the testnet. So maybe they spend hours and hours, day after day, to actually get an activity. And it's always the question, was it worth it? What you got after what you put in as work? For example, Dippy ETH here posted, be one of the top wallets in Monad, work hard for 20 months, get all the best roles and do daily activities in the testnet, wait for the airdrop checker, realize that you are really in the top. All that's left is to wait for further results, open the boxes, which we're gonna go through in a second, open the boxes and see the pre-market price of 0.05 USD per token. Imagine they're working at McDonald's for 20 months, would have brought you much more profit. Imagine that your costs are practically not recouped and the time is gone forever. Terrible. They got 200,000 MON, but if it is true, as I said, don't believe everything that you read on X. There's so many shit posters these days. The 200,000 might not be worth the time that you actually spend on the testnet, on the whole thing. That should be it for the tweets. This is my claim portal for this account here. I added some wallets. Actually, I'm not sure why some of those are not eligible, because they hold NFTs that should be eligible. I was not active either on their Discord or Telegram, so I did not connect the Telegram because I wasn't sure. I wasn't sure with the Discord, so I connected this one, but I'm eligible with the X account. So what I'm gonna do is do the early reveal with you together. But first of all, let's click on the FAQ, because it's really important, because a lot of you have been asking, is there any difference in revealing early or not? Your allocation will be revealed when the claim period ends on November 3rd at 13 UTC. Users also have the option to reveal early starting on October 28th at 13 UTC. And this one here is the important part. We can skip the first sentence. It's basically the same as before, but now participation in the early reveal is optional and does not impact your airdrop allocation. So with all the boxes over 3 days, this is just a gamified reveal. You don't need to do this. And there are some things that you need to consider if you're doing the early reveal. So it does not change anything to your allocation if you do this gamified reveal. You just know after the 3 days how much MON you're gonna get on day one. Can I add more connections after revealing my allocation? And this one is important. Know if you have more wallets or socials that are eligible, they will have to be used on a new account. Once you started the early reveal, it's set. This one's important. Can I change my claim wallet after revealing my allocation? Yes, you can actually do that. You can change your claim wallet until the claim closes on November 3rd at 13 UTC. And how do I claim my MON on Monad mainnet? Your MON tokens will be sent to your claim wallet immediately when Monad mainnet launches. Initially, your claim wallet is the wallet you connected when you first entered the claim portal. You may change this by connecting a different EVM compatible wallet in the upper right corner of this page at any time prior to the end of the claim period. You can do this, just switch the claim wallet here, and then you're good to go. But you can also do this after November 3rd, even if you did the reveal early. Though you can't add new wallets after you started the early reveal. So make sure to add all your wallets that you have that you think might be eligible before doing the actual early reveal, because afterwards you will need to check the wallets in a different account and therefore get the airdrop into a different account. We've seen rumors around there being a difference between having this in separate accounts or in one. And it seems to be the case that it doesn't matter, although it's probably the easiest if you do this all at once, but it's completely up to you to actually decide whether you want this in one account or split this in different accounts. All right, let's do the early reveal together so you know how this actually looks. Let's hit the reveal early. You can see this here, my wallets that are eligible. You can see the claim wallet. Enter claim experience by locking your profile to secure your connections and claim wallet. Participation is optional and does not impact allocation. Final day of claim is November 3rd, upon which the claim period will end and all allocations will be revealed. And now we're gonna go through with this and hit confirm and lock. Locking a profile is irreversible. You can't add or remove connections. I understand and agree to the above. Enter the 3-day experience. Let's get started. So I really like that. And I hope it's a nice one for day one. As you can see here, I have 3 boxes per day that I can open. Basically, since we already have the 30th of October, we can open all boxes at once. So we can now go through this together and actually see what's happening. Let's go through the FAQs real quick. Monad Boxes is a 3-day box opening experience where eligible recipients of the MON airdrop can reveal their airdrop early. How many boxes do I get in total? Come back to find out. How do I receive my MON on Monad mainnet? We've talked about this. Your MON tokens will be sent to your claim wallet immediately. So it will be an airdrop. And can I change my claim wallet? Yes, you can change your claim wallet until the claim closes on November 3rd at 13 UTC. When we hit the confirm button, it said we cannot do this. It is possible to change the claim wallet. As you can see here, I can hit this one and click change wallet, so it's possible. Now let's open all those sweet boxes and see how it goes. As I said, the total allocation doesn't change and it's randomized how much you get on each day, and we're gonna open all of them together for all days, so all 9 boxes, one after each other. I see 0. Let's hit refresh if there was an error, or if I just did not get any tokens here. Okay, it doesn't show. Let's exit one. Okay, it was 8,460. Now let's open this box. Maybe it's buggy because the day is already over. It's the same here. I can't see it, so I'm gonna X this one. This is almost 5,000. And let's open the last box for day 3. And it is worth. It's purple now. Maybe it's more. We don't know. Let's close this one as well. And we see a total of 50,000, which is super nice, I think. Now let's open the day 2 box. It's blue and we can't see the value once more. It's only 2,000. I got the feeling that I already got the majority of tokens right here. And by the way, it's super confusing that they do have the comma here and that they have the dot here. That's confusing, to say the least. This is already, or again, a blue background, so probably not as much, only 462. I guess I got the majority on day one, probably. Since this is buggy and we can't see this. Oh, that was more. Now we got 61,000. And let's go through day 3. This is a blue one again. 6,000, nice. Maybe we end up around 70 to 80,000. Let's see. Let's close this one. It was only 1,000. Okay, we probably end up between 70 and 80,000 MON. Oh, I think that was a super good reveal. Oh, bam! We're at 88,782 MON, and definitely gonna copy that one and also share it on X. So I'm super happy with that, and you can also replay the reveal if you want to do this, if you like the animation. At least it worked in the end to actually see this one. All the videos before did not really work, but that's how it is. And now we can take this here, and I'm super happy with that allocation, and go to this airdrop calculator from swishy.eth, and I already follow them. You can go here and paste in your allocation, and then you can either use the Waves market or the hyperliquid. FDV, fully diluted value, is what that means. And then you can hit this one. And for example, if we actually have a fully diluted value, which would mean a price of 0.05 USD, then this would be actually worth 4,400 USD. If it's just 1 billion in fully diluted value, then this much MON would be worth 888 USD. You can also see different scenarios here to actually see where you would end up. Really like that. By the way, for the hackers out there and the scammers watching this, I will definitely change my claim wallet since this is possible, so you don't know with which one I'm gonna actually claim this allocation. There's still time until November 3rd. I've showed you this in the, if we go back, then we can go here and actually change the claim wallet. And yeah, that's it for the boxes reveal. I will definitely do a video once we're getting close to the actual TGE, to the mainnet going live. Let me know if you're happy with your MON allocation, how you liked the reveal. Thank you so much for watching. Once again, make sure to subscribe, because I know that basically 80% of you watching here are not my subscribers yet. So make sure to do that, because that helps me a lot and keeps me motivated to do those kinds of videos. Yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Small add-on. I wondered why I didn't get a golden ticket, because everyone is posting their golden ticket, and I thought, damn it, I'm missing that one. What I did was a hard refresh. So in case you're also missing the golden ticket, do a hard refresh on the claim side. That's Command Shift and R on the Mac. SDRG, Shift and F5 on the Windows, I think. And then you will get your golden ticket for day one. So you can also share this one. Now, this video is definitely done, but I wanted to add this one here for everyone wondering.